This is like the it girl glam. My bad bitch, sultry, sexy glam. Kind of my signature at this point, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. This is the Kosas Brow Pot Pencil in black. Just lining the bottom. Main sparse areas, you can kind of see where mine are. Mainly at like the front part and then my arch right here. Use a black brow gel to kind of set them in place and make them look a little bit fuller. Flat brush and concealer to carve out under my brow. I set my pinky a lot to like stabilize and balance my hands so you're not like cracking out at the brow. I've been using a concealer closer to my actual foundation shade. Sometimes I feel like when I use a bright shade, it looks really like to bring my concealer out here so the wing's really pigmented to my lid down with powder so it doesn't crease and the shadow lasts better. Patrick Ta palette and then this super warm shade right here. Blending it all over my crease and the outer half of my eye. I like to bring it in right here. I feel like it blends in with your nose contour well. I blend my brush in like big circles. I feel like that gets the best blend and why I do eyes first. Mix of the two bright shades. I don't want it like stark white, but I also don't want it that yellow color. I'm gonna pack this on the inner half of my eye. Really is gonna open everything up. Being patient and layering it on a couple times to get a good like opacity, and kind of just go back in with the brush and nothing on it and blend it back in. This is the Urban Decay liner in Tootsie. Yes, I'm being for real, that's the shade name. I'm drawing just a super messy wing, lining my whole eye. I don't really care because I'm gonna smoke it out, but it's a decent wing. Use about the same color of brown. Tap right over it to set it and then slowly start to smudge it out. See how a wing just completely transforms the eye? Be a liner girl till the day I die. Cleaning up a wing is always the most satisfying part to me. See, I need to like sharpen it a bit more. And just extend it. Do not sleep on lash primer. This one is from Lancome and it's like my favorite thing on the planet. I always come back to the Charlotte Exaggerize mascara. It makes your lashes so thick and like the black is black. That's a big thing for me. A 16 and a 14 little lash cluster thing from Amazon. I have them in my storefront. I feel like they just complete the look. Flake away the dry mascara flakes with the spoolie. This is my favorite hack. Merit Great Skin Moisturizer. I like to let this sit for like 3 minutes to make sure there's not any pilling. I'm waiting. Look at this painting my best friend's mom made me. It's insane. Posted it on my Instagram story if you want a closer look. On this wall up here and I'm so happy about it. Use the Maybelline Grippy Primer. I like tacky primers when I use a glowy foundation to keep it from like sliding everywhere. One's super hydrating and just really nice. Does everything I want it to do. This is a mix of the Makeup Forever skin tint and the Danessa one. A big foundation mixer. I feel like it's just more fun. It evens out my skin, but you can still see my freckles and it looks actually like my skin. I've been really liking this Makeup by Ariel brush. I feel like it disperses everything really nicely. Seal the pimples. This is the List bronzer stick. Super creamy and I like the shade. It's not overly like warm. It really takes no effort to blend out. I don't know why I stopped using this. Blending my bronzer up like this on my jaw. Make sure it connects into that eyeshadow from earlier. House Labs Glossy Ginger has been my love recently. Like it's pink but natural. I don't know, I've not been really into this super pink blush lately. To shape out my concealer before I blend it, it makes it so much easier. Bring it along down the bridge of my nose, kind of like a reverse contour. Like this. Real Technique setting brush for concealer is so good. Blend out the edges first, then I work my way in under my eye. I'm catfish level pro, bitch. Wow, I look snatched. I like to do press then loose. I feel like it gives you the most flawless creaseless under eye. Look how airbrushed this looks. The pink loose powder version. The pink kind of helps tone down the yellow tones in here. I used the wrong shade of foundation, but we all do that sometimes. Set under the cheekbones too. Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. She's a classic. It actually tastes good. Don't ask how I know that. Powder steps, I make sure to tap and not blend like this so I don't ruin any of the base. This is the Kosas blush in Hype. It sets and adds a glow. Then I'll go in with the loose powder to do one last set and kind of clean anything up I need. How I said I like the skin tint because it showed my freckles and then I just cover them up. This is full beat, not clean girl, okay? I'll add as much makeup as I want to. Doing a mix of those first two browns on my lower lash line. Use the same brown from earlier and go on my waterline. Nude waterlines also look really good with this look. Just in the mood for brown. Gives it that sultry vibe. Brown mascara for the bottom lashes. It makes it look a little bit softer than black. Bitch, I feel sexy. How every makeup look should make you feel. Hair highlight stick. I'm gonna do it on my nose, my cheekbone, just a little bit in my inner corner too, because it won't hurt. This is the Westman Atelier liner in Minu. I do not know how to say this. Liners are so creamy and velvety. I love them. Some of the Lawless Cherry Plumping Lip Gloss. These lip glosses make your lips look like you have filler. I would know because I got 2 syringes, bitch. Melt everything in with Milani Make It Last. This is my least favorite part about doing makeup. It's like an alcohol wipe and it helps get it all out. This is the bad bitchification. This look never fails to make me feel like a bad bitch. I hope it does for you too. I'm gonna make thirst traps, eat hot Cheetos, and edit this. Love y'all.